United Naga Council UNC have raised strong objections to a notification issued by Land Resources Department, Government of Manipur on September 18, 2025 regarding the procedure for sale, purchase and registration of land in the state. In a press release issued by UNC, it pointed out that the notification contravenes Article 371 Clause C of the Constitution of India, which safeguards the interests of tribal communities in Manipur's hill areas. In a press release, UNC stated that all scheduled matters in hill areas shall be within the purview of Hill Areas Committee as per the Hill Areas Committee Order 1972 promulgated by Dr. V.V. Giri, the then President of India. As such, traditional land holding system is still in vogue in the hill areas with the exception of few stretches of plain areas in More, Churachandpur, Chandal and Kaupum Valley under MLR and Land Reforms Act 1960. UNC further warned that enforcing the notification across the state without considering these special provisions is unconstitutional and illegal. They further cautioned that any attempt to impose a new policy without respect for tribal and land rights could trigger social upheaval and unrest. The group appealed for cancellation of the notification and urged the government to revisit the policy in line with Article 371 Clause C, ensuring protection of tribal interests.